A chest rig is the quickest way to reload your rifle or pistol. This type of bag keeps your ammo around your chest, so they're readily accessible for hunting or any shooting activity. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 tactical chest rigs on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Condor Recon Chest Rig. Recon is one of my favorite M4 chest rigs as it can hold 6 M4 mags and 6 pistol mags thanks to its large kangaroo-style mag pouches. What's even better is that I can fill the mag pouches with a flashlight, multi-tool, or any same-sized gear. I love the shoulder straps with all the thick padding, webbing, and D-ring. I can put on an extra maul pouch to extend the gear capacity without feeling too much burden on my shoulders. Best of all, the swivel push-release buckles feel great and secure. This lightweight chest rig was easy to adjust to my body type. I like that there's a little more adjustment available should I need to wear a jacket underneath the rig. More specifically, the waist size is adjustable between 30 to 60 inches, so I think it fits most body types. The best part of this chest mag carrier is the mesh pocket on the interior. I love to keep my valuables, like keys and wallets, in there. Everything stays in place even when running or jumping, since the front pouches come with closure flaps and elastic bands. However, the elastic retainer bands can be a little annoying when I try to reinstall a magazine or replace an expended magazine with a new one. Users need to use 2 hands to get past the bands. Number 2. OneTigris Tactical Chest Rig. The OneTigris chest rig is perfect for bringing to the range or the field with its secure mag pouches and internal pockets. This 5.56-7.62 chest rig is built with 4 open top pockets, a front pouch, and 2 enclosed pistol mag pockets. I love that I can wear this rig in many ways. I can use it as a chest rig or detach the back panel and fix it to a loadout vest. The shoulder straps are nicely padded, so the rig is easy to carry around, even with some extra gear. I found 3 Velcro strips on the front, perfect for the customization of my favorite morale patches. Also, there's a lot of maul webbing on the front of the main pouch and around the shoulder straps. Since I like to carry a medical kit, the maul is perfect and seems sturdy enough to attach a lot of gear. When I unzip the main pouch, I like that it doesn't flop open due to the 2 retaining fabric pieces. This makes it great for accessing the tools without them falling out immediately. Compared to my brother's RTAC chest rig, this OneTigris model is slightly more lightweight. Number 3. Helicon Tech's Training Mini Rig, Shadow Gray. This mini chest rig is from the range line of Helicon Tech's. I like the shadow gray color because it goes well with any color of my shirt. I used this product as a sub-gun chest rig, and it was excellent. The magazines stay in place in the 4 fixed pouches even when I'm running. My favorite is the flaps because they can be adjusted to secure whatever mag I'm using, from Arkansas to Alaska types. The magazine draw is simple, and so is replacing it. I'm pleased that I can carry more gear with the extra pouches. The 2 large zippered pockets seem to be good for storing a flashlight, cell phone, and other additional tools. For someone who likes to customize, having 3 Velcro panels is a big bonus. I had a blast attaching my favorite morale patches on the 2 main pockets. Moreover, wearing this rig is comfortable on the arms and back thanks to the H-strap harness. Number 4. Vismix Tactical Chest Rig. I was looking for a good airsoft chest rig, and someone on Reddit recommended this Vismix Tactical Chest Rig. With this rig setup, all the gear and accessories are accessible during the airsoft play. The capacity is quite immense, with 8 mag pouches that can fit Alaska Arkansas mags, pistol mags, flashlights, and other small tools. There's a main pouch, a detachable bottom pouch, and maul straps for carrying more tactical gear. I like the fact that the bottom pouch is detachable because I can just remove it to make the rig more lightweight. The best part of the rig is the main pouch. Inside, I found many compartments, including space for my wrench, an elastic band for my flashlight, and a mesh pocket for other essentials. What's even better is that there's a designated place under the pouch for fixing a tourniquet. The material is made of 500D nylon, which seems to be tough for outdoor use. More importantly, it fits on my torso comfortably, thanks to the adjustable shoulder and waist straps. Number 5. Aria Micro Chest Rig. Aria is a micro chest rig loadout with a simple design. The rig comes with 1 recycle pouch, 3 5.56 mag pouches, 3 9mm mag pouches, and 2 mag pouch support frames. I found out that the triple mag pouch can be used as a storage bag when removed. That's quite convenient when I want to make room for more supplies. Also, it's fortunate to have an elastic band inside the main pouch, so my items are all kept secure while I'm on the move. The tactical chest harness feels comfortable with padding. I like that the cross-back shoulder strap is adjustable to fit any size. I'm somewhere between 40 to 50 centimeters, so this rig sits right on my chest and back just right. I love the mag retention inserts that came with the rig. The inserts are perfect for holding the mag in place even when I'm sprinting. Also, the stitching looks neat and straight, so it appears that the rig is high quality. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you liked this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.